Alright guys, so we just got here to Fred G. Bond Metro Park. Another day of fishing. Park right here, but we'll go to the other parking lot. Alright, so we're almost at the parking lot. Such a beautiful view just being inside the woods. Here we are. See, let's just park up ahead. There's the lake over there. We're gonna be fishing, guys. All right, stay tuned to see what we can see and what we can catch. What's up, guys? It's Landmark Fishing here. We're back at Fred G. Bond Metro Park. Let's see what we can catch today. So we're gonna try and see if we can catch a different species other than the sunfish. I do have an extra rod, collapsible rod. I'm trying to see if we can catch a catfish, but it's the first time trying to catch fat catfish, so let's see if I catch one. If not, we'll try next time with some better bait. So right now the only thing I have are some worms, like last time, and I'm gonna try to see if I can catch some live bait to throw for a catfish. Alright, let's do it. Alright guys, so we're on the board here. Looks like a bluegill. Alright, let's get it released. Alright guys, we're getting bit. Just gotta jerk it a little bit. Watch. Goes. Taking it, huh? Let's see. Let's see what he does now. Move it a little bit in front of him. Sean, there you go. Look at that. Nice little sunfish. Beautiful colors. Beautiful colors. Let's keep fishing. So we got number 3, fish number 3, sunfish number 2. There we go. This one's a little bit small, so we're gonna release this one. The other one we use it as bait. There it goes. See you. We have that rod right there with the sunfish. We're gonna see if we can catch a catfish on that rod. Let's keep it going. Guys, we got fish number 4. Let's get it out of the hook, throw it back in the water. Okay. 4th fish. Let's release it back into the wild. As Miami Guggen will say, another safe release. Let's get it. Let's keep going. Alright guys, so we still have bait on the same hook. Let's throw this out again. Let's see if we can catch another fish. Get him a little bit. Here we go. Fish on. Not too far. close. There. A little bit farther back. Tries to bite back there. There we go. Oh, it took the bait, guys. Alright, guys. Another bait going out. See if we can get another little one. Catfish rod still hasn't gotten a bite yet, so we're just gonna see if it gets a bite. Let's see. We're just gonna like kind of like troll it towards the inside, and then should be some small ones that are trying to pick it up. Sometimes you just gotta wait. Get that nice bite. Let's start on this side here. Taste it by a little one. There we go. There's a little one right here. There's a little fish. This little guy was up in the trees. Hold up, he's flopping all over the floor. I'm gonna get him cleaned real quick and I'll show him to you guys. It's a beautiful little fish. Just gorgeous colors. Now I did put out a video a couple days back asking what type of fish, and a lot of you guys said this was a little sunny. So there we go. All right, guys. Here we go. All right, so this is like number 6, number 7. Lost count. But these guys are just so much fun to catch. I know they're not big, but you know, fishing is just fun. All right, let's get a quick release on him. See you. All right, guys, here we have fish number 7. Let's get it. Beat our record from last time we came here. All right, let's keep going. Guys, fish number 7 here. It's going back. Another safe release, guys. Let's get it. Number 8. Let's get a release on him. See ya. Let's keep it going. See how many more we can catch. Number 9. Getting back. See ya. All right, guys, that's everything for today. So I tried catching a catfish, but no bites, you know. I did catch 9 fish, so I did catch more than last time. Last time I believe it was like 5 fish, but we did catch 8 sunfish, I believe, and 1 bluegill. Correct me in the comment section if I misspoken about one of those fish, but next time we'll try some different bait. I did speak with a gentleman there, and he told me that bacon works a lot, so we'll try out with bacon next time. And I'll do some research to see, because I'm from Florida. We don't really catch too much catfish in saltwater Florida, so let's see. This is new to me, freshwater fishing. All right, see you till next video, guys. We're here at Fred G. Bond. On day 1 we used these worms, and we caught a lot of sunnies. Today I brought some bacon and some sausage to see how it does compared to the worms. All right, let's see what we can do, guys. Stay tuned. All right, guys, this crazy, but this is number 1 on day 2 right here. Look at this fish. Look how beautiful it is. This is a different species than the sunnies, I think. But just beautiful. Let's get it off of the hook and let's get it released. All right, guys, day 2. Let's see. That's first fish at day 2. Let's get it released. See ya. There it goes. Beautiful place here at Fred G. Bond. Let's get it. Let's keep it going. There's the bite, guys. Let's see if we can hook him on. Oh. Again, let's see. There's some pretty big baits for some small fish, so I might have to cut it a little bit smaller, but at least we know the bait is working because it's getting bit. All right, stay tuned, guys. Let's see if we can catch it. All right, guys, I think we have one on. Oh, ho, ho. Bluegill. But this one we robbed. Look at this fish right here. Looks like he had like a little gash here. But beautiful fish. Look at that. Let's get him released. Beautiful fish, guys. Yes, we're on.
Okay, 3 more minutes.